Intensive practice 4.3, question 9. Given log 2b is x, log 2c is y, express this in terms of x and y. Okay, so here our log are in base 2, but our question is in base 4. So first we can change the base. So to change to base 2, we say log 2 over log 2, and then the big number here we write on top, and the small number here we write below. Okay, so now let's flip the top. Since this is 8 times b divided by c, if times means it will become plus, divide means it will become minus. So we can say log 2 8 plus log 2 b minus log 2 c. Okay, times become plus, divide become minus. And then down here we have log 2 4. 4 is 2 squared. Right. Next, 8 also we can make it into base 2. So we get log 2 2 cube. Log 2b is x. Log 2c is y over log 2 2 squared. Okay. Now since we have a power here, we can bring this power in front. So this becomes 3 log 2 2 plus x minus y over 2 log 2 2. And we know log 2 2 is just 1. So this will become 3 plus x minus y over 2. Okay, you can leave your answer like this, or if you want to factor out the 1 over 2 also can. Sorry, minus y. Like this also can. Done.